Hi, welcome to the screencast, and I'm going to show you how you can fit out your shopping list lab sheet. So here's the recipe I've chosen for shortbread cookies, and the original servings is 12. So then the first thing I had to do is scale the ingredient amounts from what they would be for 12 people up to 30. And so then you will see that on the next page. So you'll see that I have powdered sugar, butter, and flour, but they're not the same numbers as they are here. They're going to be the scaled up version. So here I have my shopping list lab sheet, and I put in the ingredients, the 3 ingredients to my recipe, and then I put in the amount needed for the class recipe because I needed 30 servings. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look to the shopping list, and I'm going to see the amount that each item comes in. So powdered sugar, if I buy powdered sugar, I have to buy it in I'll show you right here, in a 32 ounce size, which costs $1.74. And I should know that 1 cup equals 4.5 ounces. So I'm going to transfer all that information into my other sheet. So you can see here I wrote down lots of information that when you purchase the powdered sugar, it comes in a 32 ounce bag, and that each cup of powdered sugar, is really 4.5 ounces. So what I need to know is how many bags of powdered sugar I need. So to do that, the first thing I want to do is change my cups that I need into the ounces that I need. So I'm going to use a proportion for that. And I started by putting the information that I know about powdered sugar, and I put it in as a unit rate, 4.5 ounces per 1 cup. And then I'm going to put what I need, which is 1 1/4 cups, and notice that I put that next to the cups. That's what I need, and I need you to know, well, how many ounces is that, so I can figure out how many bags I need. So I'm going to scale this up, and I multiply. What do I multiply 1 time by to get 1 1/4? Well, that would be 1.25. So I multiply 4.5 times 1.25, and that equals, and I would use a calculator for that, and I would get 5 5/8 of an ounce. Since powdered sugar comes in a 32 ounce bag, I need a lot less than 32 ounces, only 5 5/8 ounces. So that means I need to buy just 1 bag. And then I'll have more than enough, but I still have to buy the whole bag. So 1 bag of powdered sugar is $1.74, and I only want 1 bag, so that means the amount needed is $1.74. So that's the powdered sugar row. Now I'm going to do butter, and so I'm going to pull the information from the grocery list and see how much butter comes in. Butter comes in 4 sticks. If you've seen butter before, when you buy it, right, it comes in those 4 sticks. And that costs $2.56, and each stick is a 1/2 cup. So I'm going to record that information back on my lab sheet. So again, I'm in a situation where the package comes in sticks, but my recipe calls for cups. So the first thing I need to do is figure out how many, since the package is in sticks, I need to know, well, how many sticks do I need? And that will tell me how many packages of butter I need. So since a 1/2 cup is the same as 1 stick of butter, then I'm going to scale this up and say, well, then 2.5 cups would be how many sticks? So when I find the scale factor, 2.5 divided by 1/2, I find the scale factor is 5. So then I'm going to multiply here by 5. So I need 5 sticks. So if a package is 4 sticks and I need 5 sticks, then I can take the amount I need, 5, divided by the amount per package, which is 4, and that would give me 1/4 packages. But I can't buy butter like that, so I'll have to buy 2 full packs of butter, even though I only need 1 stick from the second pack. And since it costs $2.50, $2.56 per pack, then I'm going to have to multiply that by 2 to find the total cost. So I use a calculator and I multiply $2.56 times 2, and I get $5.12. And then lastly, for the flour, I already pulled over the information from the grocery sheet. That flour comes in a 5-pound bag, and that 1 pound is equal to 3.5 cups of flour. I need 5 cups. So I make a proportion again to say I need, since it's coming in pounds, but I need cups, I need to convert what I have into pounds. So since I need to know how many pounds do I need. So I know how many packages I need. So I put 3.5 cups over 1 pound. That's the unit rate that was given here with the flour. And then I put 5 cups on top. That's what I need over the question mark. So if you notice, I've kind of done that consistently where I've put the 1 per 1 on the bottom. I found the scale factor, which was 10/7, and then I multiply 1 pound times 10/7, and I got 1 3/7 of a pound. Now I could do a second proportion there if I wasn't sure how many bags I would need, but I can see that since 1 3/7 is definitely less than 5 pounds, I can get all the flour that I need from 1 bag of flour, and that would be sufficient. And 1 bag of flour costs $2.56, so 1 times $2.56 would be $2.56, and now I'm done. So I was able to scale all 3 of my ingredients to the amount I need for 30 servings. I was able to then figure out how much of a package I need, or how many packages I need of each ingredient, and calculate the cost for purchasing that at the grocery store. This is as far as you need to go, and turn this into your teacher when you're done so you can get some feedback. Thanks, have a great day.